Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to bring you November's Sew Sampler box. If you're not familiar with this, I will leave the description in the link below, or link in the description below. But basically what it is a monthly subscription box, and they send you all kinds of different things each month. Each month has a theme, and you get to try a lot of stuff and get a lot of exclusive stuff. So I really love it. So I just kind of cut the box here. I haven't even opened it yet. I haven't even looked at a sneak peek on Instagram or anything yet. So super excited about this one. So immediately I see that it's Country Fair, which just speaks to me. I'm a country girl and I love bright, colorful quilts and colors. That's what got me into quilting. And then it looks like there is a couple of coupon codes on the back of this. So if you are a member, that is another exclusive that you get with this box, is coupon codes in every box. So let's put this aside and see what else is in here. Now the next thing I see is this Vintage Christmas by Lori Holt advertisement for her book. It just says that it's available now. I love Lori Holt, and she's one of the reasons that I started quilting, and I just love those country designs. I definitely want to get that. Now this little card just tells everything that's in here and what it cost, so you can pick up the retail value. It's always a good deal. I didn't really look at it this time, but it's usually around $50 to $60. Now I noticed that the fabric has the background and the border in it, so I love that it already has the finishing kit in this, like the one a couple months ago. Let's just look at this fabric. It is by let's see, I think it's Lela. It's Garden Variety by Lela Boutique. I think I said that right. So this is from Moda, and I just love all the colors. They're so bright and cheerful, and I just want to work on this quilt tonight. So very simple. I love white backgrounds, and then this fun pattern border. So I love that fabric. And then I see some white Orifel thread, which is great to work with always. And then another cupcake recipe, cupcake mix recipe in a different pattern. This came with one of ours a couple months ago. I haven't got to try it yet, but we will soon. And then this cute desktop calendar for 2019. I really like that they sent this to us. I just wish that you could see the back and the front at the same time, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if you can, it's just meant to kind of flip and turn around so that you just see the block, and then you can flip it around and see your calendar. But it's still really cute, and it was a really neat addition to a box that I haven't seen before. And lots of bright colors, and so I really like that. So I didn't really read on this or anything, just set it aside there. And then we have our barn block recipe. This is block number 8. They send these out every month if you're doing that. I don't think I am. And then finally we get to the pattern. I love this pattern. It's called Farm to Garden. It's a wall hanging. It looks like it's about the size of the one that I have up on my wall now, of my first one. And it does have all this, and then tells you that you need your backing. But I really I'm in love with this. It looks so spring and farmhouse. If I wasn't already working on a Christmas quilt, I would definitely be working on this bad boy tonight and getting this done, because I can't wait to see it on my wall. This is for November, guys. I hope that you like these videos. It's about the only thing I share about sewing on my channel, because I am very novice, but I do love sharing the products that I get. So I would love to have you as a subscriber, and I hope that you guys have a great day. Bye.